Hello, welcome into my channel. Today I have here the ABUS TITALIUM. It's a pretty common lock, cost around €6, and ABUS produces this in many different variants. I have here the smallest one. I didn't have a key, but it's a 5-pinner. I hope have one spool pin and 4 standard pins. Okay, so this is pin number 4. Okay, pin number 3, pin number 1, okay, pin number 5. So it is pretty standard lock that can be shimmed because it doesn't have ball bearings. So locks of this type have one vulnerability, and in the YouTube videos is pretty standard to bypass the lock. And yes, this lock can be bypassed, as I said, with the shims because it didn't have the balls but spring-loaded mechanism. But I didn't have the Compix, so I didn't have. But I have here the bigger version of this lock. I sacrificed it with my angle grinder, and this is pretty standard way to bypass locks. So you insert the pretty sharp tip and you can go through the keyway into back of this lock, and you can with this sharp pick release the one or this upper part of the shackle, and with pretty standard pin you can release the pretty standard hook, you can release the second side of the shackle and you just unlock the lock. So, but the people in ABUS is pretty clever, and here designed the one small pin that goes in 45-degree angle in this lock, so like that, and with this pin inserted here you cannot make this attack because this pin block you to use pick or something else to release the shackle. So this pin block this type of lock against these attacks, but this bigger core and this smaller core feels the same, so have the same internals. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in another video.